Next example is find 5 fifth roots of minus 1. So what is the previous problem? Find nth roots of unity means 1. So this is the procedure to find the nth roots of unity. That is what? First express this 1 in the polar form. It is cos 0 plus I sin 0. And then uh, w raised to w is suppose nth root. Then of 1, that is 1 raised to 1 by n is w, means w raised to 1, n is 1. W is nth roots of unity means what? W is equal to 1 raised to 1 by n. And then if we take nth power of both sides, then we have w raised to n is 1. And 1 in the polar form is this. So same procedure is here. Suppose w is a fifth root of minus 1. Means right here, right, w is equal to minus 1 raised to 1 by 5. And therefore w raised to 5 is minus 1. W raised to 5 is minus 1 because w is equal to minus 1 raised to 1 by 5. W is minus 1 raised to fifth root of minus 1 means what? Minus 1 raised to 1 by 5. If we take fifth power of both sides, then we have w raised to 5 is equal to minus 1. And the minus 1 in polar form is cos pi plus I sin pi. Because modulus of minus 1 is 1 and argument is pi. This is the polar form of the number minus 1. Okay, cos pi plus I sin pi. We know that cos pi is minus 1, sin pi is 0. Then add 2k pi. Same procedure here. Add 2k pi. 0 plus 2k pi is 2k pi because 2 pi is the period of the sine and cosine function. So add 2k pi in both sides. In the pi, that is pi plus 2k pi plus 2k pi. K runs from 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. And then take the 1 by fifth power. So w is what? Shift this power 5 to right side. So it is becomes this bracket raised to 1 by 5. And this bracket raised to 1 by 5 is what? By using De Moivre's theorem, this 1 by 5 into this. Because what is the De Moivre's theorem? Cos theta plus I sin theta raised to n is cos n theta. That is multiplied by n. So raised to w is what? Down w is what? This bracket raised to 1 by 5. And by De Moivre's theorem, it is what? 1 by 5 into this. That is cos pi plus 2k pi by 5. And 1 by 5 into this means pi plus 2k pi by 5. This is by using De Moivre's theorem. So w is this. Same to this. That w is what? W is this bracket raised to 1 by n. So write this step at this stage, that w is equal to what? Right, first w is equal to here, w is equal to this in bracket raised to 1 by 5, and then apply like this, raised to 1 by n, like that, raised to 1 by 5, and then apply De Moivre's theorem. We have this step, and then substitute k as 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. We get 5 values of this w, and that are the 5 fifth roots of minus 1. That is substitute n as k as first 0. So we have cos pi plus I sin cos pi by 5 plus I sin pi by 5. Then substitute k as 1. Pi plus 2 pi is 3 pi by 5. 3 pi by 5. Then substitute cos k as 2. So 2 into 2, 4 pi plus pi is 5 pi by 5. That is cos pi plus I sin pi. 5 get cancelled. That is minus 1. Because cos pi is if cos pi is minus 1, sin pi is 0. Then sin, substitute k as 3, we get this. No need to simplify it, right? It remain as it is. That cos 7 pi by 5 plus I sin 7 pi by 5. And next is substitute k is equal to 4. So 4 into 2, 8 pi plus pi is 9 pi by 5 plus I. No need to simplify it. Remain as it is. So these are the 5 fifth roots of minus 1. What are that? These are. The first is this. The second is this. Third is this. Means minus 1. Fourth is this and fifth is this. So write that answer. Okay. Either write simplified answer or write the these as a final answer. So what is the procedure to find nth roots? express that number in polar form and then apply De Morse theorem and substitute k is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 up to n minus 1, because here we have to find nth roots, nth roots. That's why up to n minus 1. If we have to find 5 fifth roots, then substitute k as 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 4. Okay, so this is the problem. Then show that this bracket raised to n, this bracket raised to n is equal to this. So 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2, sin theta is 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2, sin 2 theta formula. And then consider this LHS, substitute this 1 plus cos theta as 2 cos square theta by 2, this sin theta is 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2, similarly here. And then we have this, take this cos theta as a common factor, so this bracket raised to n, so cos raised to n theta by 2 as a common factor, so we have here, and 2 as also common, so 2 raised to n because it is in bracket, and bracket raised to n, so 2 raised to n, and then we have cos theta by 2 plus I sin theta by 2 in bracket. Similarly here from this bracket also take 2 and cos theta as common, cos theta by 2 as common, we have this in bracket. And then by using De Morse theorem, this is cos n into theta by 2, that is cos n theta by 2 sin n theta by 2. Similarly here apply De Morse theorem, we have this, because what is the De Morse theorem? Cos theta plus I sin theta raised to n is cos n theta plus I sin n theta, we have this. And this is the minus and plus get cancelled, and so 2 times cos n theta by 2. So we have 2 raised to n and 2 into 2 raised to 1 is 2 raised to n plus 1. We have this RHS. Next, solve the equation. So this problem is also important. So x raised to 9 minus x raised to 5 plus x raised to 4 minus 1 is equal to 0. That is, this is the 9-degree equation. That is, we have 9 roots of this equation. Solve this equation means find all the 9 roots of this equation. So we have total 9 roots. And how we can find these 9 roots? By using the De Morse theorem and by using the complex number. That is, first factorize this x raised to 9 minus x raised to 5 plus x raised to 4 minus this factorization is x raised to, take this x raised to 4 common from this. We have x raised to 4 in bracket, x raised to 5 minus take x raised to 5 as common. So what we have? X raised to 4 minus 1. Here is x raised to 4 minus 1. Take x raised to 4 minus 1 as common. So we get x raised to 5 plus 1. So this is the factorization. Then consider separately x raised to 4 minus 1 is equal to 0. And then x raised to 5 plus 1 is equal to 0. So if x raised to 4 minus 1 is equal to 0 means x raised to 4 is equal to 1. X raised to 4 is equal to 1 means x is 1 raised to 1 by 4. So 1 in, that is we have to find the 4 fourth roots of 1. So express 1 in the polar form, cos 2k pi plus I sin 2k pi, because 1 is cos 0 plus I sin 0. First write 1 as like this, 1 as cos 0 plus sin 0, and then add 2k pi. So 0 plus 2k pi is 2k pi, because 2k pi is square. And then rest to 1 by 4. Rest to 1 by 4. X is what? This bracket rest to 1 by 4. This bracket rest to 1 by 4. Next step right here, that this bracket rest to 1 by 4. And then by using De Morse theorem, it is 2k pi by 4, because rest to 1 by 4 into this means 2k pi by 4 plus I sin 2k pi by 4. Substitute k as 0, 1, 2, 3. We get 4 fourth roots of this 1. That is, we get the 4 values of this equation, 4 roots of this equation, x raised to 4 minus 1 is equal to 0. That is, put k is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. In this, we get these answers, 1 minus 1, I minus I. Substitute k as 0, we get cos 0 plus I sin 0. Cos 0 is 1. Then substitute k as 1. Then we have 2 pi by 4 means pi. 2 pi by 4 means what? Pi by 2, pi by 2, cos pi by 2 plus I sin pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 is 0 plus I sin pi by 2 means we get answer I. Then also we get answer minus I and minus 1 if we substitute k as 0, 1, 2, 3. These are the 4 fourth roots of unity, means these are the 4 roots of this equation, x raised to 4 minus 1 is equal to 0. Then consider x raised to 5 plus 1 is equal to 0. Then x raised to 5 is minus 1. And then express this minus 1 That is, we have to find the 5 fifth roots of minus 1. So this is the procedure. These are the 5 fifth roots of minus 1. This is the final answer. These are the 5 fifth roots of this minus 1. Means these are the, this final answer is what? These are the 5 roots of this equation, x raised to 5 plus 1 is equal to 0. And totally these 4 and these 5, totally 9 values are given here, and these are the roots of the given equation. 9 roots of the given equation. So separately by factorizing solve this. Same problem. Solve x raised to 10 plus 11 x raised to 5 minus 1 is equal to 0. So it is written in the form x raised to 5 square x raised to 10. Then x raised to, this is quadratic equation in x raised to 5. And so x raised to 5 is what? Like that. X square, a square plus, this is x square, y square plus by plus c is equal to 0. Like that. So x raised to 5 is what? Minus 11 minus a plus minus root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. By using that formula, we have this. X raised to 5 is this. Okay, so express this number in polar form. So this is the polar form. Its modulus is this, and argument is 0. Argument is 0. And then add 2k pi or 2 pi r. Or use a k letter. 0 plus 2k pi is 2k pi. 2k pi. And then take 1/5 power of both sides. So z is what? 1 by 5. 1 by 5 here. And 1 by 5 of this is what? By De Moivre's theorem, it is 1 by 5 into 2 pi r or 2 pi k. So we have this by De Moivre's theorem. And substitute k is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we get 5 fifth roots of this. And that values are what? These are the that values. Substitute k is equal, r is equal to 0, then 1, then 2, and then 3. We get the 5 fifth roots of this number. Okay, these are the values. So these two problems are similar problems. So we will see the remaining problem in the next lecture.